Maybe at the back. Oh, you're tall. That's why. Oh, maybe you turn it to the side. The side. The side.
I've been waiting for you to come. I've been longing for you, I know. And I've been sailing forever.
So retrieval site's somewhere there, but there's no road, so I'm off. So they have no access towards getting through. So this is the time that you give up, because there's no access and I don't want to be fined. And this is where most likely there are snakes. So yeah, I can see a lot of lizards out there. But there'll be snakes. I'm fucking dead meat. Anyway, I'll just be going around. I don't have much time though. I have a few hours of sunlight, but I'll just make most out of it. I'm gonna go down there and ride my electric board. Yeah. So I'll be back. So one way or the other, I'll be back. Okay, and I'm carrying a heavy Zion with a 6D Mark II and a microphone on my right hand. So it's like a struggle. It is a struggle. Anyway, we keep on walking. Hey there everyone, I'm just here at the Baruka Lookout. And yeah, I was on a mission to retrieve something. Unfortunately, the trail there was closed, so there's no way I'm getting in. And I feel there are snakes everywhere, so I'm seeing lizards and small snakes. And yeah, so this time I failed to retrieve the package. So I'm just hanging out here, just chilling, relaxing, and it's good. Like, the view's so good, the wind's so cool, the weather is warm, it's awesome. It is awesome. And yeah, I was planning to fly my drone somewhere far from the national park and then do some B-rolls, some footages. But when I sat here, it's so peaceful and so nice. I just want to sit here and enjoy the view. Oh, by the way, I saw a trail there. It heads to the Halls Gap, the campsite down there. 6 kilometers. I want to do it, but not today. I wonder when can I do it. But anyway, this is a nice place. Yeah. If I only could explain how good the wind is, how warm the weather, cool the wind, how awesome. What I like about traveling is that it refreshes your mind, takes the stress away, fully or a bit. Yeah. And yeah, there are lots of types of travelers. There are the tourist ones, there are the outdoor trekker, hiker, extreme ones. And there are the chill ones. Like, they just want to chill, have coffee, look at the good view. As for me, I'm a person who wants to use a lot of energy. Like, I want to trek, I want to hike, I want to see something nice, like go to a mountain, go to a place like this. Like, my initial plan today was not really traveling, like relax, but it's more of a retrieval, is what I've said earlier. But that failed. So I realized it's nice to stop, sit, relax, and enjoy. Yeah, I enjoy the place.